What's up? Today we're going to be showing you how to do some wheelies on the old KX65 here. Purple Demon, you know.
Board over to an 85.
Not important, but yeah, she gets it. And shut up in the background. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is, if you got a clutch, pretty much just let it out like normal. And then just be in first gear to start with, and then like, I don't know, quarter throttle or less. And just blip it and lean back. Then it will come up. And be careful when you do that so you don't go all the way back. Then the next thing is you want to have your foot on your back brake 90% of the time. Just in case because once you hit the balance point, you're going to want to tap that brake almost so you don't go too far back. I'll show you how. See, I went too far back and I had to tap my back brake. That's what you want to do.